This represents the sun, and this represents the earth. Let's just say, and this represents where I live. Now, the earth spins at a 23.5 axis. Alright? So it's not completely straight up and down. So you gotta tilt it just a little bit. That way you can have a northern hemisphere on top, split in half, and a southern hemisphere. So as the earth spins around the sun like this, alright, it turns night and day. As it spins away from the sun like that, you have night where I live, in this section right here. As it spins towards the sun, then the sun exposes where I live, and it gives us daylight. It takes from here to create one season. As it spins around the sun, it creates 2 seasons. It creates 3 seasons. And it creates the 4th season. It takes 365 days to complete a rotation around the sun. It rotates night and day 365 times a year as it spins around the sun. Now, what is time? If you have a sun and you have the earth, as the earth spins around the sun, it creates night and day. Here's day, exposed to the sun, and here's night, away from the sun. Where is the time? The only thing that is occurring is the earth is spinning, angular spin, around the sun. So let's say it spins, and I'm going to keep it in this position just so we can see it. So here we have one day. It spins, and we have 2 days, 3 days, and so on, 365 days. Now, what happens if you take away the sun and this still spins? What happens to your days? Right now, all you have is darkness. Yet, it spins around, normal. What happens? Where is your time? The only thing that gives the illusion of time is the presence of a sun. Is there such a thing as time, when all it is the earth orbiting around the sun? Your season begins from here. Here's your 3-month period. Here's your 6th month. Here is your 9th month of the year. And then it completes full rotation around the sun. This is 1 year. 365 days of. If all that is occurring is a rotation. Do we have 365 days? You take away years. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Where? Where is it? Where is time? Where is the day without the sun? Is years. is 13 billion light years away. Let's say, pretending this is a star. What is a year? If there is no star or no sun, there's no light coming here, from here to here. You take away the light, you take away the distance. There's no such thing as time. There's no such thing as light years. Where is it? If you take away the distance between here and here, what do you have? Do you have 1 light year away? Do you have 13 billion light years away? You take away the star. What do you have? You have no distance again. Where is it? Even if it's linear or orbits around, it's just an illusion. There is no such thing as time. There's no such thing as distance. Time is the light that goes from here to here. The light received from point A to point B, the time is measured here, the distance. But if you take away the light, you take away time. You still exist here. Is there time? No. The light from the sun, the light from the stars, is what creates the illusion of time. As the light moves away, it creates waves. The red shift moves up and the blue shift moves towards us. All it is light. You take away the light, the time does not exist. So, if you take away time, what do you really have? Think. If you take away the sun, okay, let me take away the sun for you. If you take away the sun, right, I'm taking away the sun. That way we don't mess with the sun anymore. The illusion, you see this? The illusion is peeling away before your eyes. Now tell me, what happens if you take away the sun? The light. The light that shines, the energy. What happens if you take away the light? Away. All you have is an illusion, you see. It's not time. It's not reality. Time does not exist. It just looks good because it benefits us. There is no such thing as time. It's just an illusion.